In this video, I'm going to do two things. The first being explain the design process and how it was made by the different people in the team. And second, give reasons for my creative choices in the video. Let's start with the design process. This is where the video was made using a software called Final Cut Pro. This is what the interface looks like. And these over here are videos and raw footage. Over here, you can see sound files. And over here you can see text along with transitions represented by the gray boxes. Other than this, I also use the software called Powtoon, and this is what the interface looks like. I've already dedicated an entire blog post to Powtoon, so please check that out. And other than this, the design process was also made by the titles designer who used Adobe Photoshop to create our titles, and the information designer who used an online information video generator to present his information. Now, over to the creative decisions that I took. This is a title sequence that I was given, and it's basically a series of images put together into a video. To make this more interesting, and so it could match the music, firstly what I did was added blank screens in between, and secondly, I added freeze frames so they would match the music. This is what the new updated title sequence looks like. The second creative thing I did was to introduce the audio before the video while starting the interview. Keep that in mind while watching this segment. This is Doris Lee, the founder of Open Door, which is a charity we have worked with. The third creative decision I made was to work around the problem of not having sufficient B-roll and create my own B-roll by recording screencasts of news websites. The fourth creative decision I made was to use a software called Powtoon in order to summarize what we learned from that meeting. And finally, the last creative decision I took was to end the video with the end of the music. I did this by adding more B-roll just at the end and also professionally fading out from the B-roll to the last piece of text.